And thanks for joining us on our at-home training class. Today we're going to show you how to buy a domain, set it up on your server, install WordPress on your server, configure email, and get ready for the new business blast. This is part one. Again, my name's Mike, ninjalocalmarketing.com. You can call us at 855-YO-NINJA. That's 855-966-4652. Let's get ready for part one. Before we begin, there are some prerequisites. You want to have this done already. You need to have purchased a domain name. You can get that for any of your favorite domain resellers. If you want, most people use GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy.com. And for this example, we're going to show you how to do it from a GoDaddy.com. So I'm going to assume that you have already purchased a domain. So what you're going to do first is go to your GoDaddy account, go to your domain page, and we're going to configure this. So you hit the name servers. What you want to do is manage the name servers. But before you do that, you need to get server service. We recommend you go to HostGator.com and get some server service. You can sign up for any packages. They start at about $5 up to $15, depending on what level you need. And then once you have server service from HostGator.com or whoever your server is going to be, you need to find the name servers. That's right here, the name servers, because this is where the domain is going to live. We're going to point this domain to our server. So we're going to go to name servers. We're going to click on manage. We're going to put custom name servers, and we're going to add our name servers. So name server number one, just going to copy paste that over, and then the second one, which was 98. Again, do not use these numbers. They are our numbers. These are our servers. If you'd like us to host your domain, not a problem. Just give us a call. But again, this is example purposes only. Make sure that you have your name servers and the numbers set. Okay, that's good. That should save. Your next step is to go to your HostGator account. We need to add these domains. So if you do have the HostGator account, you're going to have your control panel. This is where you can do all kinds of things. But for today, we're going to need to add that domain. So we're going to go to the domain section of the account, and we're going to add the domains. That is by add-on domains. I'm going to click on that, which will get you to this screen. From the control panel's add-on screen, we're going to put your name of your domain in, and then you're going to hit enter, and it's going to populate the subdomain or the FTP username. You can use anything you want. We prefer to use the name of the domain, and it's going to default your document root. Just put in your password and hit add domain. Should take about a minute, and then your domain is officially added. Perfect. You can do this for several domains, or you can even add a subdomain. So if you want to add a subdomain, we're going to show you how to do that. You could just click on subdomain. And this could be, if you had a, just say you had a sales, you had email. So just say you want to do an email. So you would go email as a subdomain, and then you would just scroll through the list of all the domains that you own and put it as a subdomain and hit create. That's pretty much all that is. Very simple to do. Now we're going to show you how to add the WordPress or any other software you'd like onto your domain. But again, for this class, we're going to show you how to do WordPress. It's the most popular and how to do it. So again, back from your normal control panel, you're going to scroll down to a tool called Fantastico. Now, because we're working with software, go to the Software and Services tab. Click on Fantastico Deluxe, which will bring you to this tab. And what we're going to do is add WordPress. So you're going to click on WordPress. We're going to do a new installation. And then you get to scroll down what domain you want it on. For this one, we're going to go basementservicesgroup.com. We're going to leave this blank because we're going to make it its entire website. Now, if you have your own website up and running and you'd like to install a blog, you would just put the word blog or whatever you'd like this to call this. You can call it service, you can call it special, you can call it hidden, but this will give you the basementservices.com/blog, and that would give you a blog to a domain you already own. We prefer to leave the WordPress as the domain because it does rank better. For administrative purposes, you always want to put admin, and then whatever your secret password is. And your site name. And then we can fix this later. Once you've clicked the install button, it'll put it on the server, and then you just need to hit finish installation. But it'll show you where it is, so I always want to either copy that into something, because it's always going to be basementservicesgroup.com or basically yourdomain.com/wp-admin, which it'll give you on the next page. This is the part you want to write down. It'll give you your password and your domain. And you are finished. You're going to right click. You want to open that in a new window. Okay, it may take a few minutes because we just did that. The worst scenario will take 24 hours. At best, it could take 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll give that one more shot, and then we'll try back in a little while and finish part 2 of this movie. Okay, it's about 6 minutes later. We hit refresh, and now we have our WordPress blog. Thank you for watching part 2. Log on to part 2 of how to configure the WordPress and how to make email addresses. Thank you.